Okay, guys. Oh man, it's awkward to stand right now. Currently doing my leg day, but I had to stop right now because you couldn't see me. I had to stop and record this little segment because we just hit 50 subscribers, which I know is kind of like, ooh, wow, 50 subscribers, whatever. But, that's pretty cool. Especially, here recently, I've been getting a lot of support from you guys, and it's pretty cool. It is foggy today. You guys see this? Can't really tell. Woo! There I go. Instead of turning around the camera, I just stopped recording. But anyway, 50 subscribers, that's pretty cool. At least I think so. And yeah, thank you guys. I'm gonna get back to my workout, do some more things, and continue on with working on the truck and all that type of stuff, and making content because I like to do it. So, oh yeah. Okay, what is up, guys? Here in my hand is a map sensor. This is the original GM map sensor that came in this truck. Yes, that's right, in 1999. And if you can't see, look at all that junk on there. If my camera would focus, here, let me. Look at all of that junk. Yeah, this needed to be replaced. Yay. Good thing I have a new one right here. Standard ignition. And we're just gonna pop her on open here. And just gonna... Oh, shit! Alright. Okay. We're good. The reason I even thought about this, by the way, map sensor goes in that position right there, if anybody wanted to know. But the reason I even thought about this is because the guy at Cantrell Racing said that he had a 5.3 equipped vehicle and it was having hesitation problems. It was shifting hard. It was having a check engine light. So he replaced the map sensor. He actually used a used map sensor off of, I believe he said, just a parts car that he got. Threw it in, and it fixed it. So, since I have hesitation, and my truck is shifting hard, the new transmission in it, and the shift kit and all that type of stuff, I'm going to put one in, except for this one is brand new. Good old O'Reilly's, baby. Just drove down there. I'm in pit right now because I had cheer this weekend. Drove down there, grabbed a new one, and we're going to slap her in, see if it happens. And if it fixes it, I will be a very happy guy, because this is a $50 part. And you see, the whole engine rebuild would be around $4,000 or $5,000. So that would suck. But we're going to figure it out right about now. So we just kind of get on in here without burning ourselves, because I just drove this thing. Yeah. Get on in there with the one hand I have free. And just kind of... Yeah, she's in there. And then take this bad boy. And, again, using one hand. There we go. Hang on, what is going on here? Oh, this O-ring is... Hang on, give me a second. Okay. We're back in action. That little O-ring was all twisted and stuff. It wouldn't have changed anything, but... Yeah, there we go. Perfect. I will test you when I'm driving back to Shell Knob. Well, I know I said that I would test it out. Oh, that was pretty smooth. shift into reverse was very nice. I knew I said that I was going to test out the map sensor on the way back to Shonab, but I am hungry and I'm going to get some Hardee's. So, might as well just do it now. I mean, we're already here, you know what I mean? So, that is much smoother. Like, much smoother. What do you guys think? Things growing in nice? Okay, let me get going here. So the biggest thing is on acceleration, it will just lose power like crazy. So let's see if it's any different now with the new map sensor. Random receipts just flying all over the place, but you know what it is. Okay, first off, I noticed that there's a lot of ticking. Is the fucking exhaust manifold loose again? I'm gonna have to check that when I get back. But anyway, I noticed just from going from the stock that it doesn't have like the drop in RPM like it used to, because it used to from a dead stop it would like drop RPM like it was bogging down, like it was trying to die. So alright, I'm here at Hardee's, but anyway, I think it's actually doing much better. I don't really want to like stomp on her right now because it's still a new transmission, but might have to see how she does in a little bit. Hello. Okay, so I'm back in Shonab. Yep. Back in the gym. Yep. As you know, got to do with what we got, you know. So I just, like a couple days ago, switched over my workout routine from 5 days a week doing muscle groups once a week to 6 days a week doing muscle groups twice a week. And basically that means that instead of doing like arms and that's it, and then my weekly abs every day, I'm doing arms and abs today, which is Monday, and then chest and legs tomorrow, which is obviously what day comes after Monday? Tuesday. And then Wednesday I will be doing shoulder and back, and then Thursday, basically just start over right up at the top. And that's going to hopefully help out with a lot of muscle rebuilding, because the science behind it is basically it takes around 72 hours for your muscle groups to completely recover after a breakdown period, aka a workout. So I'm going to really try to take action on that and just squeeze in as much workout as I can in a week. And hopefully that will set me up to the point where I'm building a lot of muscle and hopefully gaining more weight, because I'm a skinny boy. I'm like 140, which is very light. Very, very light. But anyway, big things are coming. Not only for the truck, which that map sensor kind of helped a little bit. It's still shifting hard, which I'll look into later. Right now, it's not that big of a deal. So, but not only for the truck, because pretty sure that I am getting some pretty cool things for it just coming up real soon here, and that should be great. I really should prioritize like fixing the little things that need to be fixed, but I really don't care about. But, you know, I'm stupid, so I'm buying mods. But, yeah. So, truck, good things are coming. But, also, I don't have it yet, but it's on order, on the way here. I, picked up another partnership with a athletic wear company, and I am getting a shirt and shorts, I think. I got shorts? Yeah, I got shorts. So yeah, that's coming in the mail soon. I will put, well, I'll start putting it all in the description after this video. But I will put the link to their website, as well as a discount code that I have for you guys. And hopefully at the end of this video, or after this clip, I should say, I will have the actual shirt and shorts to show you guys. But from what I could see from the website and the research that I've done on them, it's a really good company, and they have pretty cool products. They don't only have like athletic wear, they also have, just from what I looked at, just skimming through their website real quick, they have resistance bands, they have, you know, the weight belts that you use for like back squat and deadlift and all that type of stuff. What else do they have? They have a whole bunch of stuff, so really you guys should just go check it out, because I'll probably be slowly acquiring more and more stuff from their website, because I really do think that their stuff is really cool. And yeah, I'm gonna get going back on my arm day. Where's my stuff? Literally the 25-pound plates and that one dumbbell is what I'm using, because I've started saying this a lot since I've been down here, and literally only have that stuff to work out with. You got to work with what you got and make what you got work. You know what I mean? I mean, that's really where I'm at. Because before I found this stuff, all this stuff over here, I was literally planning on bringing just an assortment of logs, literally just pieces of wood, back to Shonob from Pittsburgh, to just lift. And there goes my dumbbell. My dumbbell is running away from me. What are you doing? Get back here. Stay. What was it? I don't... Yeah, I was going to bring back an assortment of logs to lift and throw around for the summer, but I got lucky and found this weight bench, and I'm getting to use it for the summer. And then I'm going to bring it to my, I guess, he's still my fraternity brother, but he graduated this past semester, and I'm going to bring this back to his house when I go back to Pitt, and he gets to use it, because I will be getting a membership at the gym that's in Pittsburgh. So yeah, that's all I had to say, really. But oh, one more thing. I probably will start recording like my workouts and different form stuff and stuff like that. You know, it's not gonna, like, we're not gonna change this channel into a fitness channel by any means, but it is part of my life. You know, I really enjoy fitness, and since I've gotten into cheer, it's become a bigger part of my life, because I really need to improve, and that's part of it, just, you know, getting swole. So I'll definitely show you guys some of my technique and different workouts that I do, but not in this video. Maybe next video. I don't know yet. We'll see how it plays out. And okay, yeah, I need to get back to work, but I think this is going to end the video. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed, go on ahead and leave a like. If you want to see more stuff like this, like different random stuff on my truck, or if you're excited about seeing me do some of my workouts. And then leave a comment about the workouts and subscribe to my channel to see all my other videos that I post. And that'll do it. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, now I haven't talked about it in a while, and I know some of you are going to be like, I know, it's been amazing, and some of you have been maybe wondering, probably not actually, but FNXFit, they are still one of my partners, and I still religiously use their supplements, and only their supplements really now. I'm currently on like about a scoop and a half of pre and a good healthy scoop of creatine, and I do that daily. And I also do daily a full scoop of their whey protein and a scoop of their super greens, and then mix it in 2 cups of milk. I found that milk is the way to go for the protein powder and protein powder and super greens. It doesn't just leave the overpowering taste of the super greens, because it's just plants, really. That's what the super greens is. So if you don't like salads and stuff, and you don't like drinking salads, then you won't be used to it. But in milk, it tastes A1. I seriously, I would definitely tell all my friends, and do tell all my friends, that they should use that. They should use any FNXFit product. But yeah. Obviously, I'm a little bit out of breath because I've been going hard, as you can tell. Got the sweat going on. I've been going hard, and I have been. As I told you, I just worked around my workout schedule, so it's just a different beast now, really. But it's amazing, and I know that I wouldn't be able to do all this if it wasn't for FNXFit and their products. So go check them out, guys.